To make a sound on your saxophone, you need to learn how to form a saxophone embouchure. This is the word to describe your mouth position on the mouthpiece. The simplest way to do this is using 3 steps: roll, rest, and seal. Roll. Take your mouthpiece and hold it with the reed facing the ground. Now roll the mouthpiece over your bottom lip so that your bottom lip creates a cushion between your lower teeth and the reed. Don't bite into the reed. Just let the mouthpiece gently sit on your lower lip. Rest. Once your bottom lip is in place, gently rest your top teeth on the top of the mouthpiece. Your top teeth should roughly be in line with your bottom teeth, resting around the point where the reed and the mouthpiece touch. This is approximately 1 centimeter from the edge of the mouthpiece. Seal. When your teeth are in place, seal your lips around the edge of the mouthpiece, applying equal pressure from all sides. This is important to stop any air escaping when you start to blow. Feel like you've got it? If so, well done. You're now ready to make a sound. If you're still unsure, don't worry. Creating the sax embouchure can take a little practice. Recap the 3 steps: roll, rest, and seal a few more times and experiment with slightly different lip positions. Great work! Let's move on to the crook and how to make a sound.